Judy here at Client Hub. Today we're going to talk about how to create, send, and track client tasks. Client tasks is my absolute favorite feature in Client Hub. These are created in the client workspace in the client task panel. Now, a client task is a request to a client for answers or information. When creating client tasks, keep in mind you want to create one client task for each item you're requesting from your client. This makes it easy for you and your client to keep track of what items have already been responded to and which items are still outstanding. Think of it as your client's to-do list. To create a client task, we click on the blue button at the bottom of the client task panel. We begin by entering the message in the text box. It's important you make sure that your message is clear and concise so your client understands exactly what you're asking or what you're requesting. If you need assistance with this, you can choose to use our AI Composer. In addition to text, you can also choose to send attachments to your client. These attachments can be opened and previewed, downloaded, and they'll also be saved to the file manager for this client. Now, when you send your message, you'll also want to go ahead and choose the type of response you're requesting. The auto detection feature will automatically choose the type of response you're requesting based on your message in the box above. Always make sure to double check this to make sure that we've made the correct selection. You always have the option to make the changes. Once you've added your first task, you optionally can add additional client tasks. You can create as many tasks as you'd like. Now, if your client task is a request for your client to upload a file, you'll notice the option to select the folder in the file manager you'd like that file to be added to. This eliminates the need for you to move files from one location to the other and ensures they land in the correct folder. Over on the right side are your task settings. If you're creating more than one client task, these settings will apply to all client tasks in this session. We can set a due date. The due date determines how soon you'd like your client to respond to this item. The due date will appear on the client task card in the client task panel. When setting a due date, you also have the option for the auto remind feature. Auto remind will send a message to your client every day after the due date, reminding them they have an overdue item. And you can choose which client users get notified of this client task. That refers to the notifications only. Remember, all client users will see this client task in the client task panel. Once we click Send and Notify, the items appear in the client task panel for both you and your client, and the client users get those notifications. Note we can see the due date right here within the client task. To edit information about a client task, click on the client task card, and you can make the edits or adjustments over on the right side panel. When the client takes the action requested and responds to the client task, the status will change to answered, indicating to you that the client has responded to this item. You'll get that notification in both email as well as in the bell notification in the upper left-hand corner. Once you close the client task, the status is updated to closed, and this item will be moved off to the Close tab, where you can access all your archived client tasks.